Hello dear students, this video is for class 5th English grammar. So let's start with lesson number 2, that is subject and predicate. Earlier we have studied about sentence. Now today we will see what are the two parts of sentence. First is the subject and the other one is the predicate. What is subject? This tells who or what the sentence is about, means about what we are talking or about whom we are talking in the sentence is said to be the subject of the sentence. It usually comes at the beginning of the sentence, means the subject is usually coming in the starting or beginning of the sentence and it is always in capital letter also. Third point is it can be one or more words. So it is not necessary that the subject is only of single word. It can be of more words also. Now see this example. Sachin likes to play cricket. So in this sentence we are talking about Sachin, which is the subject of the sentence, because we are talking about Sachin. Now first point, in this sentence Sachin is the subject of the sentence. You understood? Because we are talking about Sachin, so Sachin is said to be the subject of the sentence. Now why we consider Sachin as the subject? This sentence is about Sachin. That's why we said that Sachin is the subject of the sentence. Now second point. We can ask who or what likes to play cricket. Now the question arises that who or what likes to play cricket. So the answer is Sachin likes to play cricket, because Sachin is the subject. We are talking about Sachin. So who likes to play cricket? Sachin likes to play cricket. Now the second part is the predicate. Once you have identified the subject, the rest of the part is the predicate of the sentence. This tells what happened in the sentence. So the predicate tells us about that what is happening in the sentence or what the subject is actually doing in the sentence. That is called the predicate. Second point is usually what the subject is or what the subject does. So what the subject is or what the subject is doing in the sentence is called the predicate of the sentence. Now take the same example again. Sachin likes to play cricket. So Sachin, we have already said that it is subject. Now the rest of the part, which is likes to play cricket, is the predicate, because what Sachin likes to play, we are talking about that he likes to play cricket. So it is the predicate of the sentence. Now in this sentence, likes to play cricket is the predicate. Okay, so we have seen that Sachin is the subject and the remaining part is the predicate. Now again the question arises, why? Playing cricket is what Sachin likes to do. So why we are considering rest of the part as predicate? Because what Sachin likes to do is he likes to play cricket. Now we can ask, what does Sachin likes to do? Now if we will ask a question that what Sachin likes to do, the answer is same, that Sachin likes to play cricket. So we have divided the sentence into two parts. Sachin is the subject and likes to play cricket is the predicate. Hope you all have understood that what is subject and what is predicate, and hope you can bifurcate the sentence into two parts, that which part is subject and which part is predicate. Now here are some more examples for your practice so that you will understand more clearly. See these examples. First one is Ali jumped on his bed. Ali, which is the name of a boy. So, Ali is the subject. Now, what Ali is doing? Jumped on his bed. So, the rest of the part is predicate. Second one is the teacher gave her students homework. So, the teacher, which is the subject of the sentence. Now, what the teacher is doing? She gave her students homework. So, in the first sentence you can see only one word was subject, but in the second sentence the teacher, both the words are subject. So, we will underline the teacher as subject and the rest of the part is the predicate. Now, in third one, the horse likes to eat hay. Again, the horse, two words are subject, and what the horse like to eat? It likes to eat hay. So, rest of the part is predicate. My mom loves me very much. So, in fourth sentence, my mom is subject and loves me very much is the predicate. Then fifth one, Henry and Tom are best friends. So we are talking about both Henry and Tom. Both are the name of boys and we are talking about them that they are best friends. So Henry and Tom full is the subject of the sentence. Sixth one, the pretty girl was wearing a blue frock. So we are talking about a pretty girl. So the pretty girl is the full subject of the sentence and what the pretty girl is wearing? She was wearing a blue frock. Next one, the sun was shining brightly. So we are talking about the sun, which is the subject, and was shining brightly is the predicate. The dogs were barking loudly. So we are talking about the dogs and what the dogs are doing? Were barking loudly. So it is the predicate. My mother is a teacher. So my mother is the subject. We are talking about mother and what she is? She is a teacher. Last one is my father is an engineer. So we are talking about my father and what he is? He is an engineer. So hope you all have understood by the above discussion and by all these examples which I have given. So try it again and again, see this video again and again, and I will give you some more questions for home assignment. So you have to solve it and then later on we will discuss in the class when our school will reopen. Till then, bye bye.